Deep in the heart of rural Norway lies a remote valley, where the laws of physics seem to bend under the cover of night. Welcome to Hessdalen. For decades, residents and scientists have witnessed something truly impossible. Dancing orbs of light, appearing from nowhere. These aren't stars or satellites. They are pulsating spheres of pure energy, hovering silently over the frozen landscape. Witnesses describe them moving with incredible speed, darting across the horizon before vanishing as quickly as they arrived. Locals have lived with this enigma for generations, watching from their porches as their quiet valley is bathed in an otherworldly glow. The shapes vary from bright spheres to elongated glowing cylinders that drift silently through the frigid Norwegian air. Since the 1980s, teams of international researchers have flocked here, setting up high-tech observatories to catch a glimpse of the unknown, but the mystery only deepens. Radar often detects solid objects where the human eye sees only light, or sometimes nothing at all. Instruments capture light that shifts through a spectral dance, changing from a fiery orange to a chilling, ghostly blue in seconds. Is it a rare form of atmospheric plasma? A natural battery created by the unique minerals within the valley's mountains. Some believe the valley acts as a giant electrical circuit, discharging energy from the ground into the heavy, cold air. Yet, despite decades of data, no single theory explains every sighting. For scientists, the status remains stubbornly unexplained. Night after night, the stars continue their rotation, while the Hessdalen Lights keep their silent vigil over the valley. From lonely research stations, the cameras remain pointed at the sky, waiting for the next spark that defies rational explanation. In a world of answers, some secrets remain hidden in the dark. The Hessdalen mystery continues to challenge everything we know.